Hello, Shemai, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. A very quick one for you this week. We are doing Misoedd y flwyddyn, months of the year. It's very simple. Find your birth month and find your Welsh icon and learn the months of the year in Welsh along the way. Barod? Ready? Here we go. Ionawr, January. Chwefror, February. Mawrth, March. Ebrill, April. Mai, May. Mehefin, June. Gorffennaf, July. Awst, August. Medi, September. Hydref, October. Tachwedd, November. Rhagfyr, December. And there you have it, Misoedd y flwyddyn yn Gymraeg, months of the year in Welsh. Leave us a comment below to let us know what your Welsh icon was. Otherwise, we will see you next week for another episode of Welsh Wednesdays. Gwelch chi wythnos nesa am bennod arall o Ddydd Merched Cymraeg. Ta-ra for now.